come on, connect हो जा, come on. Hello, hello, professor. I hacked your server just to contact you. Are you there? Hello, hello, professor.
Hello.
Hello, sir. We need your help.
We? Who we?
Sir, we, the students of India. Even in such a pandemic situation, we are being asked to give our exams. We need your help to cancel our exams. Please, sir, help us out.
Why? Because of this virus thing.
No, because we are not prepared.
Okay. Let's begin the heist. Antes de entrar en la misión, ambos tenemos que confiar el minuto. ¿Confías en mí?
Huh? Enemy? No, sir, no, sir, no enemy, no enemy. Friends, sir, no enemy.
Do you speak Spanish?
No, sir. India, sir, India. Only Hindi and English, sir.
Okay. So before we get into a mission, we both have to trust each other. Do you trust me?
Yes, sir. I trust you.
Okay. So do you know which is the fastest source to spread information?
No, sir.
Social media.
Social media?
Yes. Because of this pandemic situation, many of us are now addicted to various social media platforms. So now, let's target them. I am sending you some hashtags. Now it's your job to forward them and make it viral. Quick.
Okay, professor. हेलो गाइस, मैंने तुम्हें एक हैशटैग फॉरवर्ड किया है, उसे अपने सभी स्टूडेंट्स ग्रुप में वायरल कर दो.
A hashtag contains a small word but with big meaning.
Okay. Hello, professor. We did it. Plan hashtag is successful. We did it, professor.
Yes, but no. These exams are highly competitive and these won't get cancelled by these easy techniques.
What? Then what was the use of these hashtags?
So that we can go with our plan B.
Huh? Plan B? What plan B?
There must always be a backup plan for a plan.
What?
Plan emotions.
Emotions? But how are we going to spread emotions now?
Check your inbox.
Inbox? Okay. Hello. There is an attachment.
Open it.
Okay.
Hello, this is Professor. This video is being telecasted to let you all know a serious issue going to witness by students. Even in such a pandemic situation where people should stay at home, students are being asked to step out of their house and give exams, which is not right. As per this current situation, number of cases are increasing day by day and many of them are losing their life because of these exams. What if our children get affected by that virus? What if our children lose their life? Who will take the responsibility? We. Yes. We have to take our children's responsibility by raising our voice against this injustice. Now it's your choice. Exams or children's life.
Hello, Professor. I myself got emotional, Professor.
It's not the time to get emotional. Just share that video and make it viral.
Okay, Professor. Okay. हेलो गाइस, जैसे हमने इससे पहले हैशटैग वायरल किया था उसी तरह अब एक वीडियो भेज रहा हूँ, उसे भी वायरल कर दो। और इस वीडियो को जितना हो सकता है उतना शेयर करना, अपने फैमिली, रिलेटिव, अंकल, आंटी जो भी है सब में शेयर कर देना। और गाइस एक बात याद रखना, इस वीडियो को तुम लोग मत देखना वरना तुम सब भी इमोशनल हो जाओगे।
Instead of questioning रसोड़े में कौन था, we should have questioned what about students' life.
हेलो प्रोफेसर। डन। Hello, Professor. We did it. Our news is getting telecasted. We are gonna win this, Professor. We did it. Our exams are going to cancel now.
No,
What? Why?
from my agents, I got to know that they are going to conduct the exam with the best safety measures.
Shit. We lost.
No, I think you forgot what I said. There is always a backup plan for a plan.
What? We can still cancel our exams?
Yes,
How is it possible, Professor?
petition.
Petition?
Yes,
I don't think this is going to work, Professor. Only me signing the petition won't work.
who told you only you are the one who is going to sign the petition?
Then?
Previously, our problem was limited to a limited number of people. But everything we have done till now has gathered a lot of people, and now all these people will also sign the petition. And the officials will be left with only one option: cancelling exams.
Shit, man. Great. Now there are many people who will be signing this petition.
Now do it.
Yes, Professor. Done.
Now wait for the results.
Soon after I began working for the professor, I realized that he talked about numbers. Wherever he was unsure of what to say or do, numbers were also his way of reaching out to the world. Hello, Professor. Our plan failed, Professor. Our exams are still not getting cancelled. Professor, do we have another backup plan? Say, Professor, do we have another backup plan?
Yes,
I knew it, Professor. I knew it. I trust you, Professor. I trust you. What's the backup plan, Professor?
where are you exactly now?
I am at Sai Shraddha's terrace, Professor.
Perfect. Now come at the corner.
Okay, okay, Professor.
Now. कूद जा साले, कूद जा.
Huh? Hello, Professor. What?
एक तो जब पढ़ने का टाइम था तब पढ़ा नहीं, अब आगे एग्जाम कैंसिल कराने. एग्जाम कुछ कैंसिल नहीं होने वाले. बक.
Hello, Professor. Hello, Professor.
Whoa.